This V block assembly. Today we are going to see how to make this U clamp. Sorry. For that, first open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design, and then part design. After that, write here U clamp and then click on OK. We are going to make as it is given in figure with same dimensions. I am going to just make this half part so I can make it mirror and will extend it. For that, first open CATIA, select any plane whatever you want, and then go on sketch option from here. Now you have to use this profile command. First make one sketch, half side sketch, and you have to use this tangent arc. After that, make one straight line and join it till center. Similarly, I am taking this profile command, and this is extended part, and again tangent arc from here till the center axis. Now we have to give dimensions, so use this constraint option. Now distance between this external to this central axis, it is given as 46 divided by 2. I am using divided by 2 because I am just sketching half. Now distance between this to this line, it is given as 5. Now distance between this line to this line, it is given as 4. And similarly, distance between this to this white line, it is given as 3. Now radius of this circle, it is given as 23. And now again this distance between this external to this surface, it is given as 50. It is given as 54. Now let's make it. Now this point and the central axis are they both must be coincide, so coincide here. And now again this length of this is given as 5, and one thing is remaining. We have to select central point of this external circle and this line. They both should be coincide, and they are already coincided, so just remove it. Again give this constraint, take this constraint option. This length is given as 4, and this is how we have completed that. And select this select this external circle and the internal circle, and then go on coincide box and select concentricity from there and click on OK. Now we have completed our sketch, so select whole sketch and then select mirror command and select central axis. This is how we have completed our sketch. After that, go on exit to workbench and then use pocket not pocket, it is pad command from here, and the pad is given of length 13, so write here 13 divided by 2 and select mirror extend, so we will get central plane at the center and mirror side to both of and we will get pad to both of side, so click on OK. Now we have to sketch on this surface, so select surface and then go on sketch option, select circle and make one circle, give dimensions to it, and its diameter is 4, and then go on exit to workbench. Now make this pocket command, and pocket should be up to last, and then click on OK. Now we have to give here radius, fillet, so we have to give edge fillet here, select edge fillet and then click on this and this four side, and the given radius is of length 3. Take one preview and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our sketch. Thank you so much guys for watching it. Please like, share and subscribe it.